Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Joshua Elder here, and I am in a different location. I'm at the SLS Hotel here in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. And today I've got something very, very special for you. I'm going to start a video series showing you exactly step by step how I'm going to profit over $1,700 per sale in 10 minutes. Now, this is going to be 10 minutes of work, but this is going to make me a lot more than just a few $1,000s. So you're going to want to stay tuned till the end of this video series. I'm going to be releasing this probably every few days, every time there's an update. When this particular product that I'm promoting launches, you're going to see me really leverage that and make a whole lot of money in a very short amount of time. So why am I so confident that this is going to work? Well, I did this numerous times before. Actually, roughly a week ago, I created a video showing kind of the 30,000 foot overview of how I make money by leveraging product launches. But I wanted to take this a step further and show you a specific product that I will be helping launch as an affiliate and be making some pretty good income from. So I didn't just want to give you the 30,000 foot view, but I'm going to go in the trenches. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing step by step to leverage this product launch to make a whole truckload of money, and you're going to be able to watch me every step of the way. So if you want a deeper understanding of how this works, I'll give you a slight overview here, but if you want more of a whole kind of summary, there's going to be a link in the description that will send you straight to this video that you're seeing on screen here. But essentially what I'm doing is I'm leveraging new product launches in the affiliate marketing marketplace, specifically in the internet marketing niche. I'm essentially riding the wave of these product launches, piggybacking off of these product launches to make a whole lot of money. So essentially the way that it works is when there's a product that's being launched to the marketplace, for example, in this niche, on January 28th, you can see that Aiden Booth and Steve Clayton are launching a product called the Kibo Code. Now this product, if you look at the clicks to the JV page, you can see that there's 2,606 raw clicks, 1,075 unique clicks, which means anything over 1,000, man, this product is going to be hot. There's going to be a lot of buzz around it. There's going to be a lot of consumers searching for it. There's going to be a lot of affiliates on board, which is the biggest key, right? So if I'm Aiden and I'm Steve, what I want to do is I want to go out there and not only leverage my own email list and my own audience to launch my own product, but I want to bring on other affiliates like Josh Elder that has 30,000 plus people on his email list and over 60,000 people on his YouTube subscriber base. He's going to want to get people like Anik Singhal. He's going to want to get people like Fred Lamb, and there's tons of successful affiliates out there that he's going to want to recruit and help him launch this product. So what's going to happen on the day of launch, all these marketers, including myself, will be sending out emails about this new product launch called the Kibo Code. And what's going to happen is the consumer is going to go to YouTube and they're going to start typing in different key phrases that relate to that product. They're going to type in the Kibo Code, the Kibo Code review, the Kibo Code scam, because they want to genuinely see what this product is about, what other people are saying in the marketplace, and if it's something that they should buy. Have you ever heard about, maybe it's a luxury travel package, or about Carnival Cruise Lines, or about any product or service, and you go to the internet and you type in whatever that product or service is plus review, right? You want to find out if it's legit. And so you might be watching a TV commercial. You might hear about something from a friend and you want to know more about that product or service. So you go to Google or you go to YouTube, right? So if you're watching a TV commercial, let's say it's during the Super Bowl, and you know that TV commercial is being broadcast to millions of people, there's going to be at least tens of thousands of people going to Google or YouTube looking for more information about that product that was featured in the commercial. It's the same thing in the internet marketing niche. You've got all these affiliates that have a list of hundreds of thousands of people. Thus, when they send out an email and this list of people are learning about the Kibo Code, they're going to go to YouTube and Google and they're going to type in the Kibo Code to learn more about it. So the key to leveraging product launches is to be an affiliate for product launches that are going to be big, that are going to have a lot of affiliates, that have a lot of buzz around the product that's being launched. And the way that you find that is by simply just going to jvnotifypro.com. That's what this website right here is. And then you're going to scroll down and you can even click any of these, right? Typically when it says VIP new hot, that means there's a lot of clicks going to the JV page. I like to look at the unique clicks, not the raw clicks. Raw clicks can mean that there's the same person can click more than once. Unique, again, is each individual unique viewer or click. So this one right here on February 2nd, you can see 43 unique. Not a lot of clicks yet. Jimmy Chappell, you can see this one has 904 unique clicks. So again, this is a great product that you can go out there and promote. And you can leverage product launches to promote the very product that you're helping launch. Or you could do a simple review on the product. Maybe you found a product that relates to the product that's launching that's better, and you can go ahead and promote that. So what I'm doing is I'm actually promoting the Kibo code, and you can simply click on JV invite page and it will send you to this page right here. And you'll probably have to create an account with JV Notify Pro. Once you create an account, it'll lead you straight to this page. Once you click once again on the JV invite page right here, and this tells you more about the product, how much money you can make. You can see 1,750 plus commissions, hence the title of this video. I'm going to show you how I make $1,750 or more commissions per sell from 10 minutes of work. So I'm leveraging two traffic strategies that I mentioned already in this video to make money from this launch. Number one is YouTube and number one is Google. So essentially what I did is I went through this page right here to learn more about the product. And by the way, I'm not just promoting the product just because it's hot. I know Steve and Aiden personally, and I know the quality of products that they've launched in the past. I've helped them launch other products in the past. Not only that, but I've been a customer of their products in the past, and they deliver nothing but value. So the key is not only just to go for hot products, but these products need to be of quality. They got to actually help people. Okay. So I skimmed through this. I learned more about it. I'm like, is this something that I really want to, promote and bring to my list, bring to my YouTube channel? And of course, knowing these guys, I knew it was something that was going to be pretty epic, knowing that they did $11 million in one of the products they launched previously and helped a lot of people in the process as well. So simply what I did is I created a review, kind of an overview around the Kibo code. This is step one, okay? Pick the product that you're going to help launch as an affiliate that gets lots of clicks to the JV page, that has a lot of buzz, a lot of affiliates promoting, and a lot of times you can look at this page and it will sometimes tell you what other affiliates are promoting. So that's step one. Step two, got a little bit ahead of myself. Step two is to create a overview review about the specific product. So all I did is I showed a screen share, just like I'm doing right now, and I walked people through what the Kibo code is about, just giving a short overview because I don't have access to the product yet. So just simply share my screen, show the JV page, give people the review or a slight overview of what the product's going to be about. And then at the end, I say, hey, when this product actually launches, I'm going to do a full comprehensive review. I'm going to even buy the product if I can't get a review copy from the owners. And I'm going to go through it. I'm going to go through the product. I'm going to give you a comprehensive review. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you stay tuned until we actually launch. Okay, and so that's what I did is I created a review and I optimized it for the Kibo code review. Okay, so I've got that in the title of my video, I've got it in the description, and I even threw the Kibo code review in my tags. So you want to make sure that, number one, you understand that the consumer is going to go to YouTube or Google. They're going to type in the Kibo code review. That's a given. We already know that. They're also going to type in maybe just the Kibo code and even the Kibo code scam. Those are typically the three main search phrases that people type in when they're looking to learn more about a product and they're a prospective buyer. Right? So I created this quick little video. It's only 4 minutes and 22 seconds long, giving an overview, again, sharing my screen, showing the JV page, and you can simply type this in and go check it out so you can kind of follow and model exactly what I'm doing as I'm doing it. And I did mention that you can rank for multiple search phrases. So what I decided to do is I decided to re-upload this same video on another channel ranking for the Kibo code scam, because I know a lot of people are going to type that in as well to figure out if it's a scam or not, if they should spend their hard-earned money. So I actually re-uploaded the same video to a different channel, okay, completely different channel, and I optimized it a little bit different. And if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how I optimize this to make it appear unique to YouTube, so it's not showing up as duplicate content, I would highly recommend checking out my top recommended system, because I go through all of this stuff, and you can check that out simply below. But let's go ahead and let's continue on. So after I did that, right, I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. It was step 2. I created one video around the Kibo code review, and I took that same video, but I changed the title so it was optimized for Kibo code scam. And then I did something unique and different to make sure that YouTube didn't see it as duplicate content. So that was step 2. Step 3 is I took the transcription of the video and I had an outsourcer on Fiverr transcribe it. And so what I did is I took the transcription of the video and I copied it and I pasted it to a blog. And then I made some edits to make sure that the grammar, the ums and the ahs were taken out, the sentence structure was right, and then I optimized it so it would rank in Google search engine for the Kibo code. So not only did I want to rank in YouTube, which you just saw, but I also wanted to rank in Google. The best way to do that is, number 1, you can rank your videos in Google, but you can also rank articles. So I took that same video, I embedded it to a blog around the Kibo code review. I took the transcription of my video, I pasted it right here, I modified it so it read okay, right? So the goal is when people go to Google and they type in the Kibo code review, and it might not be ranked quite yet, which is completely fine, but we'll scroll down and I might be on like the 3rd, 4th, maybe even 5th page, which is completely fine. You can see there's a video right here. But we're going to give it some time because it does take some time to rank your article. It will take some time to rank a video in Google, but I've got 2 videos already ranked for 2 separate search phrases in YouTube. So the next step after this will be to create an actual bonus for the Kibo code to differentiate myself from the rest of the people trying to promote this launch. I want to create a really cool bonus package for people that do buy through my link. They'll get some extra bonus, some extra goodies from myself. So that will be one of the next steps in the next phase of actions in the follow-up video that I will give you. But that was phase 1 that I wanted to walk you through today. If you got value from this, please let me know in the comments below. Like this video. If you want to receive part 2, 3, 4, however many parts are going to be here, then all you need to do is click that red subscribe button and then tick that bell icon to be notified of all the future videos that I upload when I upload them. And if you want to learn more about all this stuff in complete detail, how I set up the blog, how I set up the YouTube channel, any details that I didn't cover in here, there's a whole course for that. There's going to be a link in the description. You can feel free to check that out. But with that said, I hope you got value from this video, and we will see you in the next one.